In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank transfer withdrawal method in Deel. If you want your earnings to land directly in your bank account, setting up a bank transfer withdrawal method is a quick and reliable way to do it. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can set it up with confidence. First, log into your Deel account using the official website or mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're signed into the correct profile you use for payments. Once you're in, look for the Finance section. Inside Finance, open Withdrawal Methods. This is where all of your payout options live, and it's where you'll add your bank information. Next, click Add Method. You'll see several options, but for this walkthrough, choose Bank Transfer. Bank transfer is ideal if you prefer funds sent straight to your bank without an extra platform in the middle. Now you'll enter your bank details. Fill in the required fields carefully, including your account number, bank name, and currency. Depending on your country, you may also see fields for IBAN, SWIFT or BIC, routing number, or sort code. Enter exactly what your bank provides. No extra spaces or dashes unless the form specifically allows them. A quick tip here. Choose the currency that matches your bank account whenever possible to reduce conversion fees and delays. If you're not sure about a code or format, check your banking app or a recent statement, or refer to your bank's official documentation. After that, add your personal information such as your full name and address. This must match the name on your bank account exactly. Small differences, like using a nickname or missing a middle name, can cause payments to be rejected by the banking network. Use your legal name and the address registered with your bank for the smoothest experience. Once everything looks accurate, go ahead and save your bank account. Deel will store the details securely and show the new bank transfer method in your withdrawal methods list. Take a moment to review what you've entered before moving on. If you notice a typo, it's best to fix it right away to avoid payment issues later. That's it. You're logged in, you've navigated to finance and withdrawal methods, added a new method, selected bank transfer, filled in your bank details, entered matching personal information, and saved your account. You're now ready to receive payouts via bank transfer whenever you initiate a withdrawal. If something doesn't look right, you can return to this section and update your details at any time.